Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to check the calories for free and easily with Cici AI. How to do that, so without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you need to do, of course, you can install the Cici AI, and here I will access it from my Android phone. And don't worry guys, because the Cici AI can be also installed into your iOS phone. And right after the installation process is done, then you can simply open it. And don't forget to do the login first with your email.
Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Cici, your humorous, friendly, and helpful friend. You can ask me for answers, recommendations, advice, and anything on your mind.
So this will be the greeting from the Cici AI that you will receive whenever you open the Cici AI for the first time or right after the update process. And after that, I will go to the chat box. You can click this two stripe on the top left corner. Click it. And after that, I will go to the discover and I will type the calorie checker. Enter, and this will be the chat bot that will help us to do the calorie checking. So maybe unfortunately that this calorie checker will not provide you the audible response, but you can also start the calorie checker by choose this one of the opening question. For example, I will choose the milk, for example. As you can see that milk is contain 42 calories in every 100 milliliters. And for example, how many calories of the canai bread from Malaysia? And I will enter. Oh, it's like the short response about the calories. A piece of chennai bread has about 300 calories. Okay, for example, how many calories of the fried rice that uh, contains eggs and chicken? A serving of fried rice with egg and chicken contains approximately 680 calories. And don't worry guys, I will do the journey or give the adventure for you to try another calorie checker in another chatbot. We can go to the image recognition, for example. And after that, I will scroll down and I will click this calorie analyzer.
As a
Click it.
professional food calorie analyst and nutritionist, I can help you recognize calories and nutritions based on your food photos.
Okay, for this calorie analyzer, surprisingly and fortunately, they will give you the audible response. And if you don't want the audible, then you can simply inactivate it. But if you would like to keep it activated, then you can simply click it. And to start off the conversation, I will type, let's get started.
Great. Please provide a photo of the food you'd like me to analyze. You can click the camera icon in the lower left corner to upload a photo. I'm ready when you are.
And after this response, we can start to upload the picture from our gallery. For example, I will click this one hold it for a while, and for example I will choose this one, the chana bread, and enter, and kindly wait.
Okay, I've analyzed the image you sent. Here's the breakdown. Food name Roti Paratha. Calories, approximately 601,200 cal. Nutritional tips. Roti Paratha is primarily a source of carbohydrates and fats.
So this is the response of this calorie analyzer. When I said this is name is the name of this bread is chanai, but there is also several name of this bread also can be mentioned as the paratha bread. And as you can see, this also give you the nutritional tip and also the calorie itself. So don't forget to try this calorie analyzer and also the calorie checker, guys, if you would like to tracking about the calorie that you have in daily life. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. Don't forget to try it, and I hope you have a healthy life and have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.